Hey there, current and aspiring Colorado business owners. If you're diving into the Colorado business scene or already making waves, there's something essential you should not overlook. Let's chat about registered agents and why they matter. Before we get started, give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. First off, a registered agent is a person or business entity authorized to receive service of process on behalf of a business. In simple terms, they are the ones who handle all the legal documents, notices, and important paperwork your business receives. So when the state or any legal entity needs to reach your business, they come through an agent first. And did you know, in Colorado, having a registered agent is not just recommended, it's mandatory. That's right, every business in Colorado needs to designate a registered agent. It's how the state ensures that businesses are reachable and accountable. Now, here's an interesting stat to mull over. 1 in 5 businesses in the US report facing challenges because they missed important legal documents. Often, it's because they did not have a reliable registered agent. Ouch, right. And guess what? Among businesses that were suspended in Colorado last year, 10% were due to issues connected to their registered agent services. No one wants to be in that 10%. Now, if you're thinking, where do I find an agent that's reliable? Well, you already have. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We are the #1 registered agent service in the nation. It's a title we are proud of, and it means we are trusted by more businesses than any other service out there. Our mission is to ensure you never miss a beat. We can make sure that any vital information, legal paperwork, or state notices are promptly received and passed on to you. You've got enough on your plate. Leave the legwork of legal notices and state communications to us. So, whether you're just starting your Colorado business journey or looking to strengthen the foundation of your established venture, remember that we are here, standing by to be your reliable partner. To sign up for our registered agent service, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why registered agents are so important to businesses? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.